I like to reflect on this Holy Thursday when Jesus Christ instituted the Holy Eucharist. He also instituted the priesthood, and also he commanded his disciples to love by serving one another. This is very important in our lives because God has given us the most precious gift, no other than himself, the Blessed Eucharist. The Eucharist where he put himself as his body and his blood. As he said, this is my body, this is my blood. So this is the best gift ever one can give, his very life. So Jesus commanded us to always put his presence every time we celebrate the Eucharist. The Eucharist, he made himself available. He made himself present among us. And we just have to reflect. Are we also presenting Christ in our midst? When people see us, do they see Christ in us? Or they just simply see us as us? You know, we are Christians and we have to make Christ present. The Eucharist is a reminder for us to put Christ present in our life. Every day is a gift of God. So every day is our Eucharist. And when we live the Eucharistic spirituality, then we will always be grateful to God. Because everything is a gift. And everything is a gift. God has given everything to us. And God wants us to enjoy his gift. So every day, let us be grateful for the gift of the Eucharist.